Good morning, Probes. And today in maths, we're going to be learning about data. And our learning intention is to be able to answer yes and no questions and to be able to sort responses. And we'll know that we're successful because we'll be able to answer questions with yes or no responses, and you'll be able to sort your answers into groups using drawings. So what I would like you to do is make sure you've got a nice big piece of paper ready to go. Okay, now that you've got you ready to go, we're actually going to draw a table. To draw a table, we get our pen and we do a nice big rectangle. Whoops, make sure you hold onto your paper. Then we draw a line across the top. We need to make sure we've got room to do our writing. And then we draw a line down the middle. See how we have our table? And on this side, we're going to write circles like that, and on this side we're going to write squares. So we've drawn our rectangle, we've put a line down the middle, and we've put a line up the top, and we've given our headings circles and squares. That's because today we're going to be sorting circles and squares. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out from my hand a shape. You ready? It is a circle. So what I'm going to do is place my circle underneath the circle column. For you, you're going to draw a circle in the circle column. Now I'm going to pull out a square. And I'm going to draw a square in the square column. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put up some circles and some squares, and you need to sort the circles and the squares into the right column. So you're going to put it on the right part of the table. Now, what you're going to do at the very bottom of your table, you're going to tell me how many circles there were and how many squares there were. So now we've done, I can sort my answers into groups using drawings. So the next thing I want you to do is you're going to tell me, do you like circles? Yes or no? Do you like squares? Yes or no? And you're going to write these on your paper. Do I like squares? Yes, I do like squares. Do I like circles? Yes, I do like circles. Once you've completed this activity, there's some mathematics activities, or there's also some questions that you can answer yes or no to. Have a great day.